Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro. And to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store. Right here in the search enter Firefox and then simply install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch your app. Right here you can choose different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization. There's also privacy protection settings and a privacy notice which you can read. Let's click on start browsing when everything is ready, open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.